Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Welcome to underneath my bathroom sink. It might not seem like a very exciting place, but let me show you something that's very exciting down here. It is these drawer pulls by UINOFLE. They have helped organize underneath my sink so much. So this cabinet has no drawers in it. It's just the two cabinets. And so everything used to just be thrown under here, and it was a crazy hot mess. I couldn't find anything. I forgot what was down here, but no longer. I got these drawers, and it comes as a 2-pack. They take 30 seconds to put together, so easy. The bottom drawer pulls out really easily, so you can get all the stuff all the way in the back. There's this nice top shelf that just pops on, so it's so nice for a little bit extra storage that otherwise you wouldn't have because there's only the bottom shelf underneath my sink. I love that each drawer shelf comes with this little liner. I'm really impressed with how much each of them holds. So if under your sinks look like a hot mess and you would rather them look nice and organized where you can reach and see everything you own, go ahead and order these drawer pulls. They are super nice, and that is my point of view.